think you're doing? I'm supposed to be the only object show on this channel. Now get out of here. Well, unlucky for you, sir, I have a Uno reverse card. What? No, wait! Well, anyways, let's get started with Battle for Uno reverse card. Oh yeah, the contestants. Oh hey Teal, how you doing? Babble, babble. Okay then. So what are we supposed to be doing? Whatever you want. Ugh, this place totally stinks. Luckily I'm a perfume bottle. I'm the king of the world! No, you're not. Can you stop licking my Google image of a Skittles bag? No. Okay, man, you can have it. Jeez. Oh my gosh, it's a
chicken sandwich.
Okay, enough of that. Time for the challenge. Wait, Frisbee, did you say chicken sandwich? Yeah. I was just about to eat it. Frisbee, you're a genius. I wanted that. Your challenge is to not eat this chicken sandwich. What a lame and easy challenge. I mean, who would eat a chicken sandwich just to lose the challenge? Mind your business. No, Teal, don't eat that chicken sandwich. Ugh, this is so boring. Hey, Frisbee, wanna go throw rocks at people? Frisbee? Where'd you go? Oh, come on! Okay, challenge over. Vote who you want to be eliminated. Elimination will be in the next episode. See you later. Bye!